Hey YouTube, this is a quick video of my update on Windows 8.1, my opinion about the update of Windows 8.1. I'm using an old laptop. I updated to Windows 8 in January of this month. The major changes, I didn't go through any comparison about Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. When I saw the update information, I just click update. Now updated to Windows 8.1. It's a first look. I noticed the major changes that the start button was come back, and there is no experience index is there. It was removed. There was a score in this particular place in Windows 8, Windows 7. It's not really matter, but it was a good thing. But now there is no experience index anymore, and the classic start button was missing when started using Windows 8. But now I am using Windows 8 more than 8 months or 9 months, and now I really don't need a start button because most of the features in Windows 8 I become used, and there is no really need any start button. But the funny thing is, this start button will actually open the Metro UI. We can hit the start button on our keyboard, will also do the same thing. So this start button is a waste of space. And most of my friends ask me that the main disadvantage of Windows 8 is the missing of start button, but I really don't think like that, because this is the more practical way they implemented to open any applications. If you need to open Skype, hit start button on your hit Windows button hit Windows button on your keyboard, then the Metro UI will come up. Then you need to type SK. The SkyDrive and Skype was in result. If you need to open, click down arrow and select the application. Boom, that will open. So in practical way, if you are in productivity using, if you need to open Notepad++, so NOTE, I type the Notepad++ is already come. Now I need to press enter. Done. The Notepad++ is opened. So this is the most easiest way to open an application. In traditional way, we have to click start, go to programs, and go to Notepad++ and so on. So it is the waste of time. This is the more easiest and practical way to open an applications, open any application. Also in Windows 8.1 there is the integrated Bing search to this particular search. You can select settings, search for images, web videos, settings, etc. Also you can open many Windows 8 controls by hitting this Windows button and search whatever you need. So far somebody told me that in Windows 8.1 there is minor performance improvements. I really noticed nothing, because I am using a Core TDO laptop purchased in like 2008, so I didn't feel any performance difference between Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. And the update was around 3.45 GB. I really don't recommend anyone who have a very slow internet connection. I'm from India, so you don't need to suffer those pain to get Windows 8.1. if you are in Windows 8. So there is no that much difference. A start button, it's really no meaning. There is a start button here. I think they added start button to satisfy some of their old customers or aged persons. They really appreciate this start button, but I don't think they really appreciate this start button, because this is opening the Metro UI. Unlike there is an option for a classic start button, that was good for some old patients like my father or mother can be used that classic start button. That's more user friendly for them, and otherwise it's not it. And there is an option for booting directly to desktop. That's an option, but I really didn't try those things. And one more thing, this is a launcher I installed. It's a third party launcher. This will help me a lot, because hitting start button and type Opera, it will take more than 3 to 4 seconds, but getting your mouse to this direction, this will pop up and you can click Opera. It will launch Opera. This is Rocky Talk. You can try out this. This has a free version, and also there is a paid version. You can try both of these. This is Rocky Talk, I think so. I am not remembering which is. It's installed in January of this 2013. I am not sure. Okay, it's no, sorry, it is Object Dock Plus. Okay, this is Object Dock Plus. This is a very good application, very easy to use. So these are my first impression on Windows 8.1. You can try this out, but really it doesn't make sense adding a start button here. And now you can go to my computer by clicking here. This will, by default, this will open this PC. This is an update from Windows 8. I don't know how it look in clean install of Windows 8, but by default in Windows 8.1 update, when you click here, you can go to my computer. This is a very good feature. You can always select what are the file. Also, they integrated SkyDrive very deeply. Now you can sync pictures, music, and downloads, etc. through SkyDrive. And I hope in the next version of Windows 8 they will do something crazy, like adding another start button or something. Oh, okay. Anyway, I'm not going to waste your time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.